How we find intersection? Yeah. So this one, see, this one, 1 to left side minus infinity. This is 2. Yeah. Now what is this? Minus infinity to 2. That means this one. Now we want intersection. Intersection means common region. Common region. So this region, this region. What is the common part? The common part is this one. This two, this part. This is the common part. Is it clear? So the common part of this two is this one. That is minus infinity to 1. Clear? Okay. Now coming to this side. Coming to this side. So from this we already calculated this one, which is x belongs to minus infinity to 1 union 2 to infinity. Yeah. Now from this x greater than or equal to, that is x belongs to 2 to infinity. 2 to infinity. Yeah. Now what is the intersection of these two? So therefore x belongs to intersection of these two. That is 2 to infinity. Yeah. Now either this or this. Okay, either this or this. Here R is there. R is there. Now what we had to apply? You had to apply the union. Okay now. So therefore, what is the final value of x? The union of these two. The union of these two. That is minus infinity to 1 union 2 to infinity. Okay. Clear? This also can be written as. This also can be written as. This also can be written as x belongs to, how we will write? R minus, how can you write? Open interval 1 comma 2. Open interval 1 comma 2. Is it clear to everybody? Okay. So let us do one more problem regarding to this. So this is homework problem. Do it yourself at home. So then post the solution in our WhatsApp group. Note down the problem. So actually we discussed this logarithmic inequalities in last year while we were discussing the logarithm chapter. Okay na? Logarithm chapter. There we discussed this inequality. Logarithm chapter. Okay na? I don't know whether you remember or not. Okay. So the first point is if log x base a, less than log y base a. Log x base a is less than log y base a. If and only if, okay, x less than y. When x less than y? If a greater than 1. If a greater than 1. X greater than y if 0 less than a less than 1. that is a less than 1. Of course, a should not be 0 because logarithm, na? So, logarithm satisfied, okay, na? That is the domain of the log function is only positive real numbers, okay, na? So, that is 0 less than a less than 1. See, the sign will be changed, x greater than y. If a is greater than 1, then x less than 1. Okay? Fine. Now, second, this is one property. Now, next property. If a greater than 1, if a greater than 1, okay, then log x base a greater than p implies, see, a greater than 1, remember, log x base a greater than p implies x greater than a power p. Yes or no? This a goes to here. X greater than a power p. Yeah. Okay, fine. Next, log x base a less than p implies x less than a power p. X less than a power p. Okay, fine. Here one more thing important is x less than a power p. This is positive. So this x should not be negative because x is in the place of domain. So that means you have to write here. You have to write here 0 less than must be. Here x greater than a power p. This is positive. So no need to mention here anything. But here x less than a power p may be possible for negative means negative values also. But x is in domain of log. So this 0 less than x less than a power p. Right? And now third, if 0 less than a less than 1, then the same conditions log x base a greater than p implies log s base a greater than p. See, here lies between 0 and 1. So then log value become negative na, because log value is positive after 1. In between 0 and 1, the log values are negative. Okay. So this is x less than a power p. Yes or no? Sign will be changed because a lies between 0 and 1. Okay. Na? So sign will be changed. X less than a power p. Here obviously we have to use 0 less than x. X must be positive. Now what is the second case? Log x base a less than p implies x greater than a power p. Okay, remember. See, while solving this logarithmic inequalities, so think about this base. Okay, na? If base is greater than 1, same sign will follow. Okay, na? Clear what I am saying? Is it clear? If a base is greater than 1, same sign will follow everywhere. See, if base lies between 0 and 1, the sign, that is inequality, will be changed. Okay, in place of greater than, it will come less than. In place of less than, it will come greater than. Okay, na? Is it clear? Already we discussed this in first year logarithm chapter. Okay, so we will solve one problem regarding to this. Yeah. So log x square minus 5x log x square minus 5x plus 6 Okay, log x square minus 5x plus 6 base 0.5 base 0.5 is greater than or equal to -1. Okay, find the x value. So this is the problem. Okay, good. See here, base, what base is the most important point. Base is the most important point. Okay, and now see, while solving logarithmic inequalities, so first of all you have to think about the domain values. So that is this one. That, so the first condition is x square minus 5x plus 6 must be greater than 0, because log is defined only for positive values. So x square minus 5x plus 6 must be greater than 0. So this is one important condition. Okay, fine. And now, so here see. So what about this base? So think about the base. So which is 0.5. That means it lies between 0 less than 0.5 less than 1. Yeah. So what will be happen? The sign will be changed, yes or no? The sign will be changed. Okay. So from this, this can be written as, so what is our formula? Log x base a is greater than or equal to p. This implies x, see, a is less than 1, a less than 1. So the sign will be changed. X less than or equal to a power p, 0 less than, 0 less than, because see here x is in domain of log, so this must be greater than 0. So how can you write this one? X square minus 5x plus 6. Okay, in place of x, this one is less than or equal to, what is a 0.5 whole power minus 1. So left side what you have to write? We have to write 0 less than. Is it clear? Yeah, sign will be changed. Okay. Now see, this is 0 less than x square minus 5x plus 6 less than or equal to 0.5 means 1 by 2. 1 by 2 power minus 1. So 0 less than x square minus 5x plus 6 less than or equal to 1 by 10, 2 power minus 1. Yes or no? This is 2 power minus 1 whole power minus 1, which is 2. Yeah. And now here, two cases. This case and this case. Okay. Na? So you have to solve these two cases. So that is x square minus 5x plus 6 is greater than 0. One case, this case. Now this case is x square minus 5x plus 6 is less than or equal to 2. What is this? R. Either this or this. R or intersection. What we have to use? 0 less than this, less than or equal to 2. R and. Which one you have to use? R, this or this, or this and this. R and. Which one you have to use? Yeah. So Uday Kiran told answer also. Okay. Fine. And now this is x minus 2 into x minus 3 is greater than 0. So this one x square minus 5x plus 4 is less than or equal to 0. This is x minus 1 into x minus 4 is less than or equal to 0. So take the real line 2, 3 plus minus plus. Here also take the real line 1, 4 plus minus plus. Okay. Now x belongs to positive. Positive means so minus infinity to 2 union just 3 to infinity. Now coming to here x belongs to negative means 4. So we have to take R intersection and which one we have to take? R and which one? See x square minus 5x plus 6 lies between 0 and 2. 0 up to, not like that. Okay na? ఏం చెప్తాం మనం? This value, see a less than x less than b means x lies between a and b. A and b, not a or b. Okay na? So that means what you have to use? Here you should use and. So apply the intersection of these two. So apply the intersection of these two. Now from 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, these two. So x belongs to, what is the intersection of these two? Yeah. So 1, 2. So where 1 is included, 2 not included, union, 3 is not included, 4 included. Is it clear? So don't confuse. Don't confuse. See, to satisfy this is the condition by using this. Okay na? Now here two cases, this condition and this condition. A less than x less than b means x lies between a and b. So x greater than a and x less than b. So this greater than 0 and this. So now we got two solutions for this and this. Now you have to apply the intersection of these two, 1 and 2, because we are using and. Okay. So therefore from 1 and 2, by applying the intersection of these two, you are getting closed 1, 2 union, open 3, closed 4. Is it clear everybody? How we will calculate intersection? Just take real line. Okay, now take real line and draw this one and this one and take common part. Is it clear? Is it clear to everybody? Okay. So let us discuss one more problem. Log x base 2 log x base 2, okay, less than or equal to 2 by log x base 2 minus 1. Yeah. Log x base 2 less than or equal to 2 by log x base 2 minus 1. See, these terms are repeated. Observe these terms. So this one and this one, same term. Okay, na? So what we have to do? So let us take, let log x base 2 equal to some t. Then t less than or equal to 2 by t minus 1. Yeah, fine. Now you have to solve this one. So now this is t minus 2 by t minus 1 is less than or equal to 0. Don't cross multiply. Okay. Now this is t into t minus 1 minus 2 by t minus 1 is less than or equal to 0. So this is t square minus t. Yeah. T square minus t minus 2 by t minus 1 is less than or equal to 0. Okay. Fine. Now in numerator, this can be written as t minus 2 into t plus 1 by t minus 1 is less than or equal to 0. Is it clear? The factors of this one. Yeah. Now, what do you have to do? Take the real line. Take the real line. So, the roots are minus 1, 1 and 2. Yeah. And now, plus, minus, plus, minus. Now, what is the result? What is the result? What do we want? We want actually less than or equal to 0. Less than or equal to 0. So, therefore, x belongs to, sorry, t belongs to, not x. This is t now, equation in t. So, t belongs to, so negative. Negative means, see, minus infinity to minus 1 union 1 to 2. For 1, you should try to open because t should not be 1. So, t should not be 1. That's why we have to use open here for 1. 1 to 2. Now this is 2. This is t value. But what we have to find? Log x base 2 na. So that means t means log x base 2 is belongs to this one. Minus infinity comma minus 1 union 1 comma 2. Yeah. And now you have to find x value. So x belongs to, say, log x base 2 equal to some p, then x equal to 2 power p na? Then x equal to 2 power p. So that is x belongs to 2 power minus infinity comma 2 power minus 1 union 2 power 1 comma 2 power 2. Yes or no? Log x base 2 equal to p, x equal 2 power p. Yeah. Now, so x belongs to 2 power minus infinity, which is 0. 1 by 2 power infinity. 1 by infinity. 1 by infinity is 0. This is 0. This is 1 by 2 union. This is 2 comma 4. Yeah. Is it clear? Is it clear to everybody? Yeah. So I will give one homework problem on this logarithmic inequality. Homework problem on this logarithmic inequality. So the problem is log x square base 2x plus 3, log x square base 2x plus 3 less than log 2x plus 3 base 2x plus 3. Okay na? Solve this one. Log x square base 2x plus 3 less than log 2x plus 3 base 2x plus 3. So this is the homework problem. So today I gave 2 homework problems. So solve them and post the answer, post the solution in our WhatsApp group. Okay.